All right, class, so here we are in week 3, and let's go over everything so that you know what you need to do for this week, okay? All right, so you see these two things, run-ons and comma splices, viewable and downloadable. You click on these, but they're both exactly the same, so it doesn't matter which one you click on, but it's going to give you the same information. Go back to lesson 3. That's the way I navigate it. I think it's the easiest way to navigate my courses. The readings is just basically some information. If you bought Little Brown Handbook, then you should be reading chapter 3. If you did not, don't worry about it. I don't think there's a consent form anymore for Turnitin, so you don't have to worry about that. All right, interactive practice is just interactive practice. It's just fun. You can click on it. I suggest right-clicking and opening them in a new tab. If you have sound on your computer, these will come up. They're really fun. Go ahead and work through these. Run-on exercise, not as much fun, but again, good practice. And the last one, there's another one here, but again, I'm opening in a new tab, and there they are, okay? All right, going back to, again, lesson 3. That's, remember, not graded whenever you see that, right? So as long as you know. Writing assignment, the same information is going to be down at the bottom, but if you wanted to, you can click on this. It's about your paper, which is due this week. Make sure you read that. There is a quiz, so make sure that you, here it is, you'll see it under this, okay, with the question mark. That's where you can actually access the quiz. Do not take the quiz unless you're ready to take the quiz, because obviously it's timed, and it's on, obviously, comma splices and run-ons. That's why you want to do the interactive practice before you take the quiz. All right, here's the drop box for paper number 1. Here's the instructions again. There's 2 drop boxes. I'm going to make sure that one of them is a Turnitin drop box. You need to have that just for your own information. And then there is an assignment that goes along with your Norton Sampler. And you need to answer these discussion questions for the Sanctuary of School and Turning Japanese. And you should really make sure that you read all of the narrative chapter. All right, as always, email me if you have any questions.